Owl. An owl is a bird of prey that belongs to the family Strigidae or Titanidae. Owls are known for their distinctive appearance, with large eyes, a flat face, and a hooked beak. They are also known for their ability to fly silently and for their exceptional hunting skills, which are due in part to their keen senses of vision and hearing. Owls are found all over the world, and there are many different species, ranging in size from the tiny elf owl, which is only about 5 inches tall, to the great gray owl, which can be over 2 feet tall. Owls are nocturnal animals, which means they are active at night and sleep during the day. They feed on a variety of prey, including rodents, insects, and other birds. Owls have played an important role in many cultures throughout history, and they are often associated with wisdom and knowledge. They have also been featured in literature, art, and folklore, and are a popular subject for photographers and birdwatchers. The lifespan of an owl varies depending on the species. In general, smaller species of owls tend to have shorter lifespans than larger species. The average lifespan of a wild owl is about 5 to 10 years, but some species can live up to 20 to 30 years or even longer in captivity with proper care. For example, the smallest owl species, the elf owl, has an average lifespan of 3 to 6 years in the wild, while the great horned owl, one of the largest owl species, can live up to 13 to 15 years in the wild and up to 38 years in captivity. Factors that can affect the lifespan of an owl include predation, disease, habitat loss, and human activities such as hunting, poaching, and collisions with vehicles. Owls that are kept in captivity and receive proper care, including a healthy diet and veterinary care, can live longer than those in the wild. Owls are carnivorous birds of prey, and their diet consists primarily of small mammals, such as rodents, rabbits, and shrews. However, depending on the species and location, owls may also feed on insects, fish, reptiles, amphibians, and other birds. Owls are known for their hunting skills and use a variety of techniques to catch their prey, including stealth, speed, and ambush. They have specialized adaptations that allow them to locate and capture their prey, such as excellent vision in low light conditions, sharp talons for grasping, and a hooked beak for tearing flesh. Most owls hunt at night and are well adapted to this lifestyle, with features such as large eyes that allow them to see in the dark, and silent flight that enables them to sneak up on their prey without being detected. In addition to their primary prey, some owl species may also consume carrion or supplement their diet with small amounts of vegetation or berries. However, meat is the main component of their diet, and they require a steady supply of protein to survive and thrive. Owls are known for their unique and fascinating behaviors. Here are some of the most notable. Owls are primarily nocturnal birds, which means they are active at night and sleep during the day. Owls are able to fly almost silently, thanks to their specialized feathers and wing structure. This allows them to sneak up on prey without being detected. Many owl species are territorial and will defend their territory against other owls or predators. Many owl species are monogamous and form strong pair bonds that last for several years. Owls typically nest in trees, caves, or other protected areas. They may use the same nest site year after year. Owls use a variety of vocalizations, including hoots, screeches, and whistles, to communicate with each other. Owls regurgitate pellets, which are compacted masses of undigested bones, fur, and other indigestible materials. Owls are able to turn their heads up to 270 degrees due to their flexible necks, which helps them to scan their surroundings for prey. Some owl species are migratory and will travel long distances to find food or breeding sites. Overall, owls are fascinating and complex creatures with a variety of unique behaviors and adaptations that allow them to survive and thrive in their environments. Owls have various mating rituals and behaviors that differ depending on the species. Here are some general patterns of owl mating. Owls engage in various courtship displays to attract a mate, which can include wing waving, bowing, and calling. Many owl species form monogamous pairs that mate for life or for several years. Owls typically nest in trees, caves, or other protected areas. The male will search for a suitable nesting site and then present it to the female as part of his courtship display. Owls mate by bringing their cloacas, the opening where excretory and reproductive systems meet, together for a few seconds. After mating, the female will lay eggs in the nest. The number of eggs laid can vary depending on the species, but typically ranges from 1 to 10. The female will incubate the eggs, while the male provides food for her and protects the nest. Both the male and female will care for the eggs and hatchlings. Owls are known for their strong parental instincts and will defend their young fiercely. Here are some interesting facts about owl life. 1. Owls have large eyes that are fixed in their sockets, which means they cannot move their eyes like humans can. Instead, they must turn their entire head to look around. 2. Owls have specialized feathers that allow them to fly almost silently, which is helpful for sneaking up on prey. 3. Owls are found on every continent except Antarctica. 4. Owls have a unique digestive system that allows them to regurgitate pellets containing undigested bones, fur, and other indigestible materials. 5. Many owl species have asymmetrical ears, which allows them to locate prey based on sound. 6. Owls have been symbols of wisdom and knowledge in many cultures throughout history. 7. The smallest owl in the world is the elf owl, which is only about 5 inches tall. 8. The largest owl in the world is the Eurasian eagle owl, which can have a wingspan of up to 6 feet. 9. Owls can turn their heads up to 270 degrees due to their flexible necks. 10. Some owl species are able to catch prey in complete darkness, thanks to their excellent night vision and hearing.